I was never planning on making a Beast Room Simulator video, but it just updated. It just updated. The stickers update came out. Oh my god. Okay, so like anyway, yeah, hi. We're making a Beast Room Simulator video. Let's go. Oh my god. Wait, let me mute the music. What is this? Abbreviate pollen? Allow trading? Wow, they added trading to B game. They added trading to B game. This is not B game anymore. View leaderboards. Okay. Daily top honeymakers. I want to see daily all-time top honeymakers. Elol. Your score 193 million. Okay, so let's see. Can we find some stickers? Oh my god, the sticker machine! Sticker printer. What the fuck is this? Gift a mythic egg? What the fuck are you supposed to be? So all gifted eggs have a chance? Let me get something out of this. I'm never gonna use this anyway. Oh! What is this? Stack boost, stack award 5 tickets. Regular version of everything in book 1, hive skin. Okay, let me go. Ow! Do about it. Excuse me? Huh, okay. Get that. I am lost, bro, like in the public test realm. Excuse me, what the fuck are you? I just joined a new game. What is this? What is this? Oh! I got... Oh! It's a sticker board! look how many good players in here. How do you get this? What is this? That's not that expensive at all. Soft wax. I need soft wax. Are you fucking kidding me? I'm the poorest person in this lobby, bro. I'm the poorest person in this lobby. So what is it? So we need glue, oil, neon berry, and microconverter. Is there like anything I can use in here? Can I collect stickers from here? No, I can't. It's just decoration purpose. So let me check how do you make soft wax. I still have planters in the fields, right? I still have a planter in the field. Oh, I found a sticker! I don't understand how stickers work yet, but I guess I'm gonna find that out soon. So, soft wax. You are made of 10 raw jelly. I need oil though. 4, right? How much oil do I have? How much oil do I have? Oh my god, bro. Fuck, I need to make 5. So we need that. Don't tell me I need... Okay, how many honeysuckles do I have? Because I need to make 4. I have a lot of honeysuckles, I know that. Yes, it's enough. 40 raw jelly. Okay, but... Oh my god, I wasted so much honey. Can you not? Okay. Enzymes. I just double clicked. Just fucking double click! Well, I hope you guys are gonna enjoy this grind. It's gonna take me so long. So I was AFK and somebody started a fucking meteor shower, bro. You know how pissed off I am? If it ends now, bro. I'll be so mad. Does it end now? I wasn't the last one. No, I wasn't. Oh, it's just a sticker. I got a sticker. I got a sticker. Yeah, let's go. I got a sticker, guys. Let's go. GG. I am very sorry to be bothering you when we're almost done with the video, right? We're like 5 minutes, 25 seconds in. I just wanted to say that I realized that the quest I was doing for Dapper Bear, his name is Dapper Bear, right? It gave me free soft waxes. I could have been doing that the whole time and there would be no video. Well, it has been way over than an hour. Way more than an hour. No, way over than an hour. This guy's done growing. Let's finish this quest. Yay. Look, I'm telling you, if it isn't finished now, bro. If it is, I'm gonna wait for it to get to 90. Yeah, here we go. Yes! Thank you. Please. Oh my god. I got what I wanted. Guys, I got it. Yes, 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 yes. Here we are. After all this trouble, we got it. Hey everyone, I thank you a lot for watching this video to the end, if you actually did, which would be a surprise because my videos are boring as shit. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed, even though I was planning on making weekly videos, not every 8 fucking days. I'm sorry it took this long. I wasn't expecting a Beast from Simulator video to take me so much trial and error to complete it, not only on the recording part, but also on the editing. Like, I gave up twice. Like, I just kind of turned it off. I was like, you know, I'm just gonna play some video games. Doesn't matter anyway. 2 times before I finish this video. So, altogether, took me around 8 days. Actually, no, 6 days to finish the whole thing. Because I started 2 days after I finished the Doors video. So, yeah. Hope you enjoyed. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Which is coming soon. Trust me. It's gonna be weekly. I swear.